Hi guys! For our video today, I will show you how to make this panda and brown bear. Let's start! Get your brown clay for the head. Now this one will be for the ears. And make sure you get the perfect shape for the ears. Ta-da! Now you're ready to attach them. Now this one will be for the mouth. So you can get a white clay or the peach one. Okay, and then you put this tiny little circle here. It will be for the nose. And make something like this. Yeah. Oops. Okay, just put it here. There you go. Perfect. Well, maybe not so perfect, but, well, it's cute. Now this one will be for the bear's body. And just attach them. Ooh, look at that tummy. Aren't you a fluffy bear? Now we're ready to make the legs and the arms. Just roll them. Just roll them, guys. Once you're finished making all of these shapes, just attach them to the body. Now get black clay for the eyes. And to give this brown bear a little something, we'll make a rose. Just roll this red clay and then flatten it a bit. And this green one will be for the stem. Now you just have to wrap this red clay around one end. Now let's add some leaves. And now we're done with a brown bear. Hi, little brown bear. Next, we're going to make a panda. Use a white clay to form the head. Now this black one for the ears. Make sure you get the perfect shape for the ears and attach them. There! Now this will be for the eyes. Now put this small piece of black clay on top of the white one, and then put the white one on top of the bigger black clay. Yeah, you get it. Or you can just watch it. Let's just put it on the face. There you go. Hi. And now for the panda's body. Use a small black clay and a bigger white one. And now we're done. You just have to attach them to the head. Now use black clay for the arms and the legs. And this tiny thing for the nose. Now get green clay for the bamboo. And now our panda is done. So now you know how to make your own panda and brown bear. And if you like us, please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again. Bye!